Worse yet, as of 2024, a quarter of American households don't have access to recycling of any kind. Meanwhile, all kinds of aluminum pile up in scrapyards like this one in Michigan. And while nearly everything in this scrapyard will be recycled, about 2.4 million metric tons of post-consumer scrap ended up in landfills in 2018, potentially worth hundreds of millions. It can separate aluminum alloy by alloy at scale. This tech can handle more than 10 metric tons per hour. That's 30% more than similar machines in the US.
If you're only able to operate at 1, 2, 3 tons per hour, it is not economically viable. You'd have to have many of these installations, and they are very expensive.
The separated alloys go to Hydro's new $150 million facility in Cassopolis, Michigan.
So what we have here is a pile of shredded post-consumer scrap. This is what I recognize. If you live in a house in the United States that has an asphalt shingle roof, you have this around the border of your roof. It's drip edge.
The main innovation here is how they're using this de-lacquering kiln. It uses hot air to burn any paint or lacquer contaminating the alloys, but leaves the metal in solid form.
That basically burns the organics off of the scrap. Those organics, we don't just vent them to the atmosphere. We actually capture them and use them as a fuel source to help melt the metal.
A similar type of kiln has been used in can recycling for decades. But Hydro is one of just a few US companies using it to turn low-quality scrap into high-quality scrap.
I would estimate that we are looking at single-digit numbers for facilities in the US